Welcome back to the RC Bree channel. Remember to like and subscribe to the channel so I can keep bringing you quality content. Today I want to talk to you about my BugMD experience. Now BugMD is a powerful formula that is designed to fight a laundry list of creepy crawlies such as ants, ticks, fleas, bed bugs, mites, roaches, and flies. Best of all, it uses plant-based active ingredients and is safe around the whole family. Its power comes from two of Mother Nature's potent bug busting essential oils, clove oil and cottonseed oil. So now let's get to my personal story. So I received my BugMD kit on a Saturday. I was excited. I actually had it in the car and I put it together. I actually mixed it at home, followed the directions. And then I was like, hey, I was going to my buddy's house on Sunday. I was like, let me show him this because I know he had a problem with some bugs, outside, flies, a few ants inside on the counter. So I went over to his house. I had my BugMD in the trunk of the car, actually. I was going to show it to him. I went in. I was about to watch some football. NFL was playing. It was a Sunday. I remember it was about 4:25. The game had just kicked off. And I was actually in the kitchen making one of my favorite football foods, nachos with hamburger and melted cheese. So I had just finished making the nachos. I was taking them out of the microwave. I put them on the counter. And then all of a sudden, I heard someone say, hey, look out, look out, look out. All of a sudden, there was a bug that came out of the cabinet somewhere on the bottom and was running across the floor. It was a water bug. I was like, whoa, wait a minute. And immediately, I was just flabbergasted. I put my nachos down. Without even thinking, I ran to the car outside, took out my BugMD, this actual bottle from the trunk. It was already mixed. I just hadn't had a chance to talk to him and show him it. I ran in the house and I said, where'd the bug go? He said, oh, it ran underneath the refrigerator. So I started spraying underneath the refrigerator with the BugMD. I was like, okay, let's see if this really works because this is the best chance to show what it can do. This is an actual moment. There's a bug. This is BugMD. It's a water bug. Let's see how it works. So I basically just sprayed underneath the refrigerator. All of a sudden, the bug came out and just flipped on its back. Pretty much immobilized. The bug was not moving. I mean, the legs were still kicking, but he couldn't go anywhere. So literally, I was like, wow, I'm a believer. This stuff really works. So that's just my personal story from BugMD. I've used it. I've used it on ants, sugar ants, ants outside. I used it on that water bug. And my friend was really impressed. He's like, what is that stuff? And then that's when I told him about it. So that's my own personal story. Hopefully you can leave your personal stories in the comments. Let me know how it works for you if you tried it. And just want to say it's a great product. And check the links. And I hope to see you soon. And keep subscribing to the channel.